talking to? You talking to the woman?
No, he was talking to a man. Now, why he yelling at her? Why? Who did?
No, he ain't. Somebody need to call the police on him. They need to call the police on him.
What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at him.
Just that dude, he come over here and touch me. Watch. Come over here and let him touch me.
Let him touch you.